Boeing is scrambling to fix a new problem on one of its state-of-the-art wide-body planes. The multinational company, which makes more than 40% of the world's passenger fleet, is investigating whether some fuselage fasteners on undelivered 787 Dreamliner planes were incorrectly installed. The questioned fuselage fasteners are in the side of the body areas. The company says the potential problem was discovered in routine quality checks, and current in-service fleet planes can safely continue operations. The FAA is investigating the issue with Boeing.